Christmas?
No, it's Russian, you idiot.
Whatever the fuck.
It says Russian.
Yes. This is. Well, aren't you watching? Katie, you're like.
That's funny on camera.
You're just like.
Well, because I would usually dance, but I don't want to be involved in this video.
Ruin the mojo, right?
Yeah, I don't want to ruin the video. He seems to be having a good time.
Emily. You see, I'm looking out for you.
Oh my god.
Rah, rah, rah.
Yeah, you don't have to do that.
Okay.